Good morning, everyone. So I've talked in a previous video the importance of a strong strike when it comes to Jefferson nickels, and it could occur on any date, from the very first date, 1938, all the way to the current dates. If a coin exhibits that strong strike, primarily on the reverse, the steps on Monticello will have complete lines that go all the way across, and you'll see a little close-up at the end of the video. But I've seen newer coins, 2016, 17s, that have sold for a few $1,000s with these diagnostics, and of course the older ones, that's where it's at. There's a lot of value across the board on coins such as this, and one can spend a lot of time, literally months or maybe even years, for a Jefferson nickel enthusiast to kind of take a look at these close-up markers and the strike characteristics of coins. One will get to know, this decade, the 60s and the early 70s and a little bit of the 50s, are really tough decades to find coins such as this, and which is a huge reason why a lot of these coins are worth many thousands of dollars for the strong full strike or full step diagnostics. And this coin right here is no exception. It's a 53D that graded PCGS mid-state 67 with full steps. This was a coin that sold over the weekend through Great Collections. This is my hair-raising coin auction for the day. And to give you a little bit of a backstory on the coin, 53D, it's one of the mushiest strikes in the nickel series. Not to be outdone by maybe 1962 and 63. Horrible. And when a coin comes out that exhibits the strongest of strikes, it's significant, because there's not a whole lot of them out there. Literally, it would be a fresh coin right off a new fresh pair of dies that would create such a masterpiece. And there is only two at the 67 full steps grade level. There is none that grades out higher. There's no 67 plus, there's no 68, and it's marvelous. The coin looks satiny, fantastic, and it's one that's sold a few $100s shy of $10,000. That is a cool amount of money, and again, there's going to be a lot of people that's a lot of naysayers. They're going to say, well, what's the deal? These coins are not supposed to be worth that kind of money. I call BS on it, and that's all well and fine, but it's well documented. If you go on any one of the auction websites like Great Collections, which is where this one came from, Heritage, Stack's Bowers, you look at the auction archives for nickels, and then you sort it by highest price to lowest, you're gonna see exactly what I mean. There are coins that I've sold for $30,000-$40,000 on there, and I'm not kidding you. This is a real deal thing. This is important to what is known to be probably one of the most widely collected series in U.S. coinage. It's Lincoln cents first, Jefferson nickels second. It's that popular. So you can see why, the registry set guys are paying all the money in the world to have the finest specimen with the strongest strike. And then that's where the money comes into play. Now, is it reasonable to find something like this in pocket change? Actually, yeah. I've pulled out lots of pre-1960 nickels that look like they were dumped in there, fresh off the presses. So these do exist. And because nickels aren't as widely as circulated as the cents, there's going to be more of the nicer quality material out there for you. Now, your best bet is to look through BU rolls and mint sets. That's where you got to find the best, most high quality specimens. But yeah, you know, for those of you that love combing through Jefferson nickels on a coin roll hunting basis, these could pop up at any time. All right, but understanding the value of these things is also equally important. So here's a close-up of the reverse, and this is what I'm talking about. Those center steps right at the bottom of Monticello is the important part to this whole puzzle, and it's what the graders are looking for. Now, you may not find a mid-state 67, but what if you find a 65 or a 66? If it's a tough date with a mushy strike, it's not going to make any difference. You know, I will grade out a mid-state 64 plus or 65 all day long and flip it for a few $100s. I've done it a few times. It's actually a lot of fun. But coins like this, again, do exist. All right, it doesn't have to be a rare variety or key date for it to be valuable. Sometimes it's something funny, like, you know, the full strike aspect of collecting these things. But to kind of recap, okay, it's a 53D PCGS Mid-State 67 full steps. This one's sold on greatcollections.com, and it's auction number 602063 to the tune of $9,675. Again, only 2 in this grade, none higher. All right. But yeah, you can look at just about any date and make the case that, you know, they're all pretty valuable with the full steps, since they are the highest point on the reverse, and they are subject to a lot more wear than anything else. It truly makes it a kind of almost like an expert level type of collecting, but anyone can do it. All it requires is a nice high power magnifier to make it happen. Anything 10 times and higher is ideal for something like this. But if you really wanted to specialize in Jefferson nickels and it looks like fun, this is definitely the way to go. I appreciate your guys' time. If you enjoyed the content today, go ahead and hit like. Give me a great big thumbs up. I appreciate it. And subscribe to Blue Ridge Silverhound. We talk about stuff like this all day long, so you'll gain access to all the newest video content as they're made available. I thank you guys again. You know, you guys keep hunting, and I'll talk to you soon.